not Steven. He's got the truck parked right there. And they're everywhere. They're hard to see, but they're everywhere. I have my phone sitting by one of the little prairie dog holes. And the longer it sat there, the more concerned I got that they were going to steal my phone. So I picked up my phone. I got the sandwich and it's called the Paradise. It is pear with ham and Swiss cheese. So I am very, very curious what this is going to taste like. I'll let you know.
How is it?
It's delicious. I would have never thought that. I saw it earlier this week. I go, nah, I'm not gonna have that. How can you not try a sandwich with pears? I mean, hello. It's really good. All right, so some of you may know that I have not the best luck picking restaurants based on the name, but I mean, come on, hold on, let me show you the right way. Oh, hold on. I mean, how can you not go eat here? So this food was absolutely delicious. If you ever get into Big Timber and go to the Thirsty Turtle and have the sandwich with the pear in it, it is it's called the Paradise. It is delicious. I saw it Monday night, and I go, yeah, there's no way I'm having that. And it's been kind of wondering in my head, and I go, you know, I just have to try it. If I don't like it, I'll order something else. So anyway, Thirsty Turtle in Big Timber. All right, we had a fantastic dinner, and now we are going to try and find the fairgrounds to go enjoy the rodeo. Haven't seen a rodeo in forever, and I love rodeos.
Yeehaw!
Yeehaw!
Grass County Fairgrounds.
We found it. Well, it wasn't really difficult. There were signs that says fairgrounds.
One road in, one road out. Now we're broken.
Ready for the rodeo?
Another one of those dogs.
Clothesline sunsets, sky blue, barn red.
In prize money, the PRCA is the premier sanctioning body in the world of professional sports. Right behind them is the great honor of the great state of Montana, who's proud to be a Montanan. My fellow Americans, Madison McDonald, 7 times Wrangler. It was a terrible wreck. They're just inducted to the Pro Rodeo Hall of Fame, Larry Peabody. Now, Brantley Peabody is planting his flag right now. He says it's my time now. shines.
Getting as much shade as we, or cover as we can.
That's right, the
It
wind's
ain't
blowing that
much.
Woo!
All right, dude. Those are pretty fancy looking.
Them are waiters right there, buddy.
Wait a minute, what are you doing?
I'm putting them on.
No, don't do that.
He said use everything in the box.
No, don't do that.
Stop judging me, just
We have children here. You cannot unsee that, Matt.
What?
That was really, really fun. And then the sky's open, so we are drenched. It's cold, so we left halfway through. We're on the East West Coast, so I'm sure we'll see more rodeos.
I hope so.
But it was fun. It was awesome.